Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage Auto Off mode for your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application and now click on your earbuds here. Then go to the settings at the right top and here's Auto Power Off. Tap on it. Now by default it uses 30 minutes, so if you don't use your earbuds it will turn off after 30 minutes. You can lower this time by press at the 20 or 10 minutes. You can increase it to 60 minutes, or you can disable this mode, and this one is the best one for me. Also tap on it and now we can go back. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!